Hello. Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well. All right, good to know. Kindly copy the link and invite other people to join. Okay. Okay. So let's look into the fundamentals for the week so that we will know what we are expecting. Then after knowing the fundamentals, we will get into the charts. All right. So out this week, okay. So tomorrow, God willing, we have Empire State Manufacturing Index at 12:30 Ghana time, and we are expecting positive news as previous was -6, and we are expecting -5.5, which is positive. All right. At the same time, 4 p.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. So that's the fundamentals for tomorrow. On Tuesday, we have Canadian CPI, and remember, Canadian CPI affects gold as well. So don't forget that. At the same time, we have core retail sales, and we are expecting positive. Retail sales, we are expecting negative. Core retail sales, we are expecting positive. Retail sales, we are expecting negative at 12:30 Ghana time. So that's what we have on Tuesday. On Wednesday, 12:30, we have building permits, and we are expecting neutral news. Previous was 1.40, 1.40. We are expecting 1.40. At 1:15, industrial production, we are expecting negative. 1:35, FOMC member Waller speaks. All right, so these are the fundamentals on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Unemployment claims at 12:30, and we are expecting negative news as previous was 222. We are expecting 229. Okay. We also have Fed manufacturing index. We are expecting positive news. So on Thursday, we are expecting both positive and negative news at the same time. On Friday, unfortunately, we have no news on USD. On Friday, we have no news on USD. So Friday, we should expect just normal market movement. All right. So these are the fundamentals we have this week. Okay. Now let's go into the chart and see what we have. Okay. All right. So if you look into the charts, you can see that last Thursday the market just came testing the H4 break and retest and just flew. Even though due to the fact that the news was strong positive, I was still trying to get a sell and it didn't work out. Sell didn't work out, so we had to end the day. So let me clear this chart and look at what is happening this week. Okay, at least we can manage. All right, so if you look at weekly time frame, wow, it's amazing. Look weekly and what is happening, it's super amazing. Now you can see that the market respected the weekly candle closed just at the resistance. So is it going to respect the resistance or is going to break the resistance and fly? Time and seasons will tell. But looking at the double or even triple bottom right here, the market can fly and break this resistance level and keep flying. All right. Because last week, the market started pushing up from 23.49 and closed at 24.11. Even though it went all the way to 24.24 and dropped. Right. Since it respected the weekly resistance, there is a potential for the market to drop from there back to this zone. It can be doing that like this. It can be doing like this until maybe break out to the upside and then fly. Or it can also be doing like this in the zone, then break to the downside and drop. All right. Yeah. So what we need to do is to exercise patience and watch and see how it's going to end. If it breaks the resistance according to weekly, then we get a pullback and we fly the market. Okay. If we don't get it that way, then what we have to do is to wait for the breakout, a retest, and then we fly the market. So just exercise patience and wait and see what is going to happen. Now let's move on to daily time frame. Oh, good. So if you come to daily time frame, we have daily resistance. We have daily resistance right here of which the market is still at the resistance. And like I said on daily, it has not broken yet. But this one got broken and retested. Okay. This one got broken and has retested nicely. So what is going to happen? We should expect a push all the way to 24.27. Okay. 24.27 to 27.24.30. And if the market wants to respect this level, we will experience another push to the downside. But looking at the H1, the daily time frame breakout, there is a potential for the weekly time frame to break as well. All right. There is a potential for the weekly time frame to break as well for gold to keep flying. So what we need to do is to exercise patience. John, haven't you seen I'm on live? You joined the live and you are still calling me. What's for? I saw you came to you commented and you are still calling me. What's happening? My screen is working. I've shared the screen already. Oh. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because of the network. You still can't see. Guys, you still can't see. Because I've shared the screen long time. Oh, how about now? You can see now. All right. Means I have to go back and do everything again. Wow. That's okay. So let's go back to the weekly. And this was what I was saying, I was talking about during weekly time frame. You can see that we have a weekly support right here and a weekly resistance. Okay. And if you look at the market, you can see that the market respected the weekly resistance, just that, and it pulled back, closing below the weekly resistance. So I was saying that the market can be in the zone ranging, okay, back to back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until breakout to the upside, retest, and keep flying. Okay, something like this can happen, and at the same time, it can go back and forth like that. Okay, then break to the downside, pull back, and keep falling down. At the same time, this week can also go here, retest, and fly. Okay, so what we need to do is to exercise patience and watch and see how the market is going to react. If it's going to range for some time before it breaks and fly, or it will just break, retest, and fly. Time will tell. All right. Yeah. So daily time frame. And if you look at daily resistance still active because the market didn't really touch 24.28. So there is expectation that the market will push all the way to that level and probably can come back to 23.92 again. It can also range in that zone and breaks out. At the same time, it can just break it, respect, pull back and fly. All right. So all we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. We can see. Hey, you guys can still see the thing. Then I have to exit though. Now I see. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the network issue. I manage it like that. Okay. I don't know. Everywhere is having, even my MTN is also having the same issue. Yeah. So that is what on daily time frame going on. So there can be another pullback for another continuation push to the upside, or the market will just drive all the way up and break the resistance and keep flying. So what is happening in H4? Now, if you look at H4, you can see that we have H4 support here. Okay, you can see that, yeah, we have H4 support formed right here. So is the market going to come back to this support and fly, or what is it going to do? And you can see that H4 level, H4 broke this structure, right? But the another H4 candle still closed below. So there is a potential for the market to come back here. 23, 2405, 2403, 2402, 2400 for another push to the upside. So for tomorrow, we have two support zones which we will be waiting for the markets. Okay, here and here, these two support zones are the zones we would be waiting for and see what the market will behave, will do there. Then we can go into the markets. All right. Now, if you look at H1, you can see that H1 gave us a bearish engulfing, and then as it was dropping, the market closed. Meaning, when the market opened, there can even be a gap to this level. But don't forget the news I posted yesterday when Donald Trump was doing rally and someone shot a gun. Right, that small news can affect gold. So there can still be a spike to the upside because of that news. Whatever happens in the United States affects gold. Always remember that. Okay. So the market can open with a gap. It can do anything. Okay. So beware. So it is advisable to stay away from the market during tonight when the market opens. During lending session tomorrow, we will see what exactly is going to happen. Then you can take advantage. All right. Yeah. So that is what I'm expecting. There can be a push. Now, if you look at H1 clearly, you can see that the market respected the zone just like that and then started dropping. Right. So there can be a push to this level and fly, or can break, come all the way here and fly again. But as long as we still have this one, this bullish engulfing here, so the market can come all the way, give a wick here and fly. Okay. So if you are buying from this zone, remember that because of this bullish engulfing, the market can come all the way to 23, 98, 97 and push this up again. So know what to do when you are in the markets. All right. 30 minutes. Hmm. Now, if you look at 30 minutes, you can see that we had 30 minutes tweezer top. And then as the market was dropping. So all we need to do, just focus on the H1 and wait. Okay. Focus on H1 and wait. Now, zone respected, market dropping. So don't forget what I said on weekly time frame, daily, H4, H1, and 30 minutes. Okay, combine all of them together and be on the waiting list until you see that yes, this is what gold is going to do, then you follow. All right. If you don't do it this way and you want to jump into the market just anyhow, like some people do, you are going to be in a deep shit. All right. So exercise patience and wait, and you are going to see what the market is going to do. Now, if you have a question concerning this, you can ask your question. All right. All this while you are talking is you that we are seeing. Oh, I see. I never knew. But it's clear now, right? It's clear now. So it's good. We can't see the chat. It's clear, bro. Hey, now we can see it. Has it been doing on and off or something? Anyways, if you have a question, you can ask. Okay. 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 I think it's the network because even if you see, you can see that it lags behind. My voice lags behind. It comes. I speak some time before you guys can hear. It's just the network, so just manage. Okay. I am here. I am clear here for my ends. I already did my analysis before you did yours, and I'm on the right path. Congratulations, then. So all you need to do is to wait. Okay, you're on the right path. Make sure you follow your analysis and not do the otherwise, because this week I'll be checking your trading history. Okay, John, I'll be checking your trading history. Guys, any question? If there is no question, then let's have a little discussion concerning um, the live mentorship I want to do again. What do you guys think? I want to do the TikTok live mentorship again, maybe from August to end of September or something like that. What do you think? Or we should do it on YouTube live instead. I want to do it on TikTok because YouTube, I don't know if this camera can hold. If I'm sharing my screen, I'm using the board. Okay, I don't know if it's going to be okay. What confirmation to look out when the market reach a zone where before we enter? Okay. When the market comes to your zone, it depends on you. What are your confirmations? You are looking out for the candles reversal pattern. Okay. When the market comes to your zone, you are looking out for candle reversal pattern. So you are looking for either a bullish engulfing, tweezer bottom, morning star. These are the three major patterns I use as my confirmations. All right. Morning star, bullish engulfing, and a tweezer bottom. These are the confirmations. Once you get them, you just shoot. Okay? Yeah, TikTok is cool. All right. So I'll prepare for that, and then we can go into it from August to September. And I'm sure you guys are going to benefit from it. And for Cortana, I'm not sure people are still trading with Cortana, but if you do, they sent in messages saying that the broker they started they partnering with recently have also terminated their license. So if you want to trade from now to in the next 2 weeks, you can only trade from your PC. You can't trade on your phone. Okay, you can't trade on your phone again because the phone terminal has been terminated, so you can no longer use it. So you have to trade on your PC. And after 2 weeks, the logins will no longer work. They will have to migrate to a different um, broker so that you can get another link or another login details. Okay, so that is the update. All you need to do is just wait. Okay, and if even if you want to buy an account, you can no longer buy a new account until they are done with that migration before you can buy another account. And these days they no longer have IP address rule, so you can trade on multiple devices. Just make sure you are not giving your account to somebody to trade for you. All right. Yeah. So this one will help. So, bro, I hope you are okay now That's the info. That's the updates with Kotana. Guys, any other question? And like you all know, this month happens to be um an important month for me, as I was born in this month and I was reborn in this month. So that's why I posted that promotion. If you want to be part of the Gold Mastery, you can join them with only, was it $50? I think so. You can be part of them. All right. And if you want to join Hunter Millionaires, go there, choose any package of your choice, and then join. All right. Yeah. And those of you in Kumasi, definitely you are going to get an invitation so that you can come for us to have some fun. Right. So stay back and relax. Okay. So since there is no other question, then here comes to the end. Here comes to the end of today's session. So I can log into my PC. Yeah, you can. But you can't log in on your phone. If there is no question, then today's session has ended and we are going to meet again tomorrow. Until then, have a nice day. In the next 1 minute, if no question, no nothing, then I'm out. Okay.